Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. How often do you eat sandwiches in a week? In Japan, there are so many different kinds of sandwiches available at the supermarket and convenience stores. It might not be exaggeration to say that it's popular, same as onigiri, rice balls. I personally eat sandwiches 2 or 3 times a week. So this time, I'd like to introduce the best 5 popular Japanese sandwiches in Japan. Here's my family, Mario and Luigi. They are my helpers, as always. Okay, so here's the ranking. Number 5, egg and ham sandwich. As the name implies, it's made with ham and egg. What is different is the egg means the egg salad made with Japanese mayonnaise. And the pink color from the ham and the yellow color from the egg salad is really beautiful and appetizing. Have you ever eaten it? Or some of you make quite often? If yes, please let me know. Okay, what's next? Number 4, tuna mayo sandwich. The oil and the flavor of tuna matches the mayonnaise. It's also delicious. And it's one of the most popular sandwiches in my recipe channel. Did you make it yet? If yes, please let me know. And number 3, ham and cheese sandwich. Ham and cheese is a classic sandwich ingredient, even in foreign countries. I have the impression that the ham is especially hearty when you want to eat with gusto. I'm sure you know the flavor. How is the ham and cheese sandwich in your country? Please let me know. Okay, number 2, BLT sandwich. So bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Finally, a sandwich with a vegetable is on the list. And the BLT is the easy way to get the vegetables and colorful and appetizing way to eat them. And number 1, it's an egg sandwich. Tamago sando in Japanese. Who like Japanese egg salad sandwich? Please let me know. This sandwich is must for Japanese mayonnaise lovers too. The egg salad is a unique Japanese combination of egg and mayonnaise. It also has the advantage of being rich in protein and making you less hungry. Since I make homemade egg salad sandwich, so let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. The combination of egg and mayonnaise is excellent. And always coffee. Egg salad sandwich and coffee. Good friends. ごちそうさまでした。What did you think the result of the rankings? I also have a playlist of Japanese sandwiches recipes, so please check it out. And if you want to know more about Japanese food and culture, please join my mailing list. To sign in, please go to my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. If you access the website, the pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click. And that's it. So special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Okay everyone, see you next time. Bye bye.